Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious sausage and salad risotto. I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients at the description, okay? So make sure you check them out. If ever I had a video. Okay guys, these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some rice, some 2 tablespoons of margarine, sausage, dry white wine, vegetable broth, radicchio, which is salad in Italian, onion. I'm going to try translate that salad name in English in case of those of you that don't know it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add a little bit of oil and a tablespoon of margarine into my pan. Allow them to melt before adding the onion. So I'm going to allow the onion to saute for minutes before adding the rice. Alright, now I'm going to add the rice and I'm going to allow the rice to toast for a couple of minutes, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. And while the rice is toasting, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper into the rice. I'm not using salt because the vegetable soup contains salt, but if you want, you can always add salt. But I would advise you add salt when you are done adding all the vegetable broth inside the rice, okay? Okay guys, after a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add the wine now. Put the heat high a little bit and allow the wine to evaporate. Okay guys, the alcohol is done evaporating. As you can see, now it's time to start adding your vegetable broth into the rice. Remember, risotto, you have to add the vegetable broth or meat broth one at a time. You don't have to add all of them at once. So I'm going to be doing that now, and while the rice, I'm going to be doing it until the rice is halfway cooked before adding the sausage. Okay guys, here my rice is halfway cooked. Now I'm adding the sausage. I just decided to take out this sausage cover. Depends on you. If you like it, you can just leave it like that, but I pressed the sausage out of that. So I'm going to stir everything and start adding the broth again into the rice while they are cooking together. The sausage and the rice are cooking. So the vegetables, I'm going to be adding them like the salad. I'm going to be adding them at the last minute. You don't want to overcook your salad, okay? Alright guys, this is time to add the salad. So the rice is almost cooked here. I'm going to stir everything together. This salad helps to boost your immune system. It actually also helps to fight this COVID thing that is happening right now. So this salad has a lot of benefits. I urge you to give it a try, okay? So I'm going to stir everything and add the vegetable broth, the remaining one in there. Put the lid on and allow them to cook on a medium heat for just 2 minutes. Then I will take off the lid. Okay guys, this is after 2 minutes to 3 minutes. I'm going to stir the rice and add our last vegetable broth, which is just tiny thing that is remaining out of 1000 ml of vegetable broth I used. After adding that, I'm going to throw in the butter because you don't want your risotto to be dry. You don't want it to be too dry. You don't want it to be too watery. So after stirring them right now, I'm going to add a tablespoon of margarine. You can use butter as well. Okay, after adding that, I'm going to allow the margarine to melt, then add parmesan, about 50 to 80 grams of parmesan inside the rice. Turn off the heat as soon as you add the parmesan. Okay. Okay guys, our rice is ready. This is delicious. Like guys, this is delicious. Don't take my word for it. Give it a try. Follow this step. Get it right. You and your family are going to enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Remember that salad contains a lot of nutrients that you may want to try it. God bless you all. Bye.